Welcome back, guys. CryptoFolite channel. Today we'd like to talk about a FET USDT trading pair with my customer request updates. Let's dive in. All right, guys. This FEP absolutely still relevant. We track this FEP, I guess, since the Zone 22, Zone 23. So when we saw the FTX collapse, like you remember, we almost touched the 27 block. I use that FEP from this top March 21. Then we collapse it down here, bounce it from the new high, liquidity pool, collapse it down again. Here's a test. Here's a retest of zero level, and we move from level to levels. So with AI hype in Zone 23, Zone 24, FET reached, take a look, like 5 cents. Around, yes, 5 cents was lowest point here, 5 and 7. Reached $3.47, and all levels relevant, we drop it to 78 level by FEP. Like a support, bounce at 2.61, drop it down, hold the line at 61. Next step, if we will see the correction again, it will be the 52 cents 25. This order block and the sweep liquidity of 50 cents. So unfortunately, guys. And yes, I remember once again when we trade at $2, at $3, I shared the video. So this was a FEP where we track, and 4.23, it's last point for this FEP. Of course, I don't think so. The $3.45, it's the end of cycle for FET, but it's possible. Generally, it's possible. Take a look. The last cycle here, March Zone 20, a COVID dump, 16,000% gains. Take a look, this one is like 6,500. So I think, yes, we can see one more impulse, but anyway, we got a little like limitation. So maybe $5 we will stop. So form the three tops, 1, 2, 3. Maybe it was the end of cycle. And now we will just see the bounce, you know, from this one. And if we stop here, not breaking out the structure again, in summer we go into correction. Yes, it's going to be the end of cycle. So unfortunately, guys, because 6,500% gains, not many tokens pump like this one. And of course, everything should be in time. We have to accumulate in time, out in time. Based it on narratives, based it on trend, on a hype around. So yes, if we compare, for example, the GameFi sector and the AI. Of course, the almost all AI sector pump it. GameFi lay down at the bottom. So the whales, the funds, they just fix the profit from one sector, can invest in another one. So just a simple money flow. All right, so money, a monthly time frame, we drop it down, test 0.61 level by FEP above. So what next? Next, I repeat again, it's 52, 44. It can be the test monthly gap. This one also possible, yes. Technically also weekly time frame. I wish to see, of course, this is like a double bottom. Start forming the double bottom. The size of this double bottom will be around, I guess, yes, $6, $5.90, $5.50, $6. That's why I want to show you with my customer request what's going on with the FET now. So here was accumulation. Let's hide the FEP. So this was accumulation. This is a pump, distribution, formed the huge divergence on a weekly distribution, drop. Now we are in just in the middle, not in a crazy accumulation like it was here, but in capitulation on a market mode. Last time when we saw the capitulation, it was in November Zone 22. So that time we traded 6 cents, now we traded 77. So technically it's good. It's more bullish than bearish. I think we will see one more, some hype, some marketing move, you know, on crypto about AI, right? Not AI agents, but AI in general. And FET will form the new all-time high, but be ready to fix a profit. Yes, so direction, no signal to buy like it was here. So just wait, just waiting. ADZ down, market mode. Money power trade on. Here's the money inflow, money inflow, money inflow. No money outflow, no new money inflow, but it's okay. So step by step, the wealth accumulated. Last time the wealth accumulated with the money inflow, it was the May Zone 22. So the price was 13 cents. So just compare on the history and you will understand the logic what the whales do with this token. It was sell, buy back. Daily time frame, sell, close position, buy, money inflow. Pretty good one. So I'm weighted higher. I'm weighted higher from these current prices. Take profit on the daily. Dump it under in the test of my volume. The buy line now it's 85 cents. Take profit $1.71. Exit line at $1.92. Daily time frame, weekly time frame also. When I shared, here around here, I shared the weekend test, the buy line. Everybody don't take this seriously because, of course, guys, it's normal. That time when we traded $3, it sounds so unrealistically how and why we should drop to 72 cents, even lower to 59. So we tested at 59.8, but it's happened. So just matter of time. We can't know. So the big profit, for the traders, it's a trade without emotion. So the indicators have zero emotions. So they showed you just say K levels, K data, where you can use it. So here, the buy line on take profit indicator was 74 cents. Take profit line $1.46, exit line $1.65 on the weekly time frame. Monthly, no data. Monthly, by the way, on the history. Buy, sell, no signal to buy or sell. So guys, just be ready for any case scenario. Don't build a crazy unicorn dreams for any token. Just not fall in love in tokens. Just trade for profit at the end. Here, and everything should be in time. Accumulate and distribute. Buy line now on 12 time frame, it's 66 cents. Take profit $1.32. Exit line $1.50. So guys, all targets, I showed you all data with my customer makers. I showed you, right, please in the comment, what is your realistic price target for FET. If you would like to trade with my customer makers, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe, channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.